So I decided to come out for a ride. I was out taking my dogs for a walk this morning, and I realized it was actually pretty nice. I wasn't planning on riding today, but the weather's so nice that I thought, why not? So I started my bike up, got my gear on, and then it started getting really windy, which is it sucks. But I decided to come out anyway, just because it is the winter and I don't get chances like this too often, especially in Canada. So here I am. I don't really have a topic. Like I say, I wasn't really planning on coming out. But yeah, I just thought I'd head west, check out the mountains a bit. See that train down in the valley there? Awesome. Look how long it is. It's crazy. The roads are not too bad. I thought they would be a lot worse. Obviously there's gravel around. Because when they do snow clearing in Calgary, they use, I think it's called pickled rock. And it's like rock that's got salt on it. It's like compressed onto the rock or something, I don't know. But once the salt's dissolved, it just leaves rocks. And usually that's fine because it all gets like, I don't know, worked towards the side of the road. But every now and again you get it in the middle of the road, so you got to watch out, especially on corners. Going straight's fine, but it's just on corners where it sucks. So yeah, this is pretty exciting, getting out on my bike again. I actually thought that I wouldn't be able to get back out on my bike until like probably spring, like late spring. I don't know when spring starts, but I was thinking probably May that I'd get out on my bike again. So to get out on my bike in March is wonderful. There's a lot of traffic today. I think this may be the first time I've been out on a Saturday. So it's actually a lot busier than usual. But whatever. So I'm just gonna fill up and go to the mountains if it doesn't start snowing. It was supposed to start snowing like this evening, which is kind of weird since it's like 9 degrees Celsius. So we'll see. That's probably why it's so windy. It's bringing in all the weather, but I can't see. Like maybe once we get over this hill, I'll see the clouds. It looks pretty nice. There's Canada Olympic Park. It's pretty awesome.